Hello everyone, welcome to my channel beautysheloves. Our skin gets damaged because of pimples and acne scars. Because of pimples and uneven skin, we feel uncomfortable. But today I am going to share an excellent remedy for pimples and acne. So let's get started. Our first ingredient is banana. Banana is rich in potassium, vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C. Banana is good for skin because it has natural moisturizing property. It also has rich minerals which helps to tighten the skin and closes the open pores. Banana are rich in antioxidants which helps to fight free radicals in the skin. The vitamin A present in banana heals the dry patches. It also helps to fade away acne scars and dark spots. It fights against the acne-causing bacteria. Banana has the property to protect the skin from UV damage. It slows down the process of aging and keeps your skin healthy. Our second ingredient is rice flour. Rice flour has various benefits for skin. It helps to get rid of acne and pimples, and it is used for skin whitening. Rice flour cures sunburns. Our third ingredient is curd. Curd is the excellent source of calcium, proteins, and vitamins. Curd helps in nourishing the skin, leaving it soft and supple. It is packed with the goodness of vitamin D, which can provide your skin with a whole lot of benefits. When the UV rays comes in contact with your skin, they affect the body cells and make them dull and turned. But curd can help the skin to get rid of tan skin. Now let's see how to prepare it. First, take the banana. Peel it off. Cut the banana peel into pieces. Then cut the banana into pieces. After cutting the banana, take a bowl and put the banana peel and banana pieces into it. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice flour into it. Then add 1 tablespoon of curd into it. After adding all the ingredients, blend them all in a blender. This is how it looks after blending all the ingredients. Apply this on your face daily. This face pack is an excellent remedy for pimples. We all are worried about the pimples and the scars that are left behind. Pimples are caused because of hormonal imbalance, pollution, UV rays, and also because of improper food habits. You have to take care of your skin properly. The dirt present in the skin clogs the pores and forms pimples and acne. Pimples spoils your skin. You cannot hide pimples by applying makeup. If you are suffering due to pimple problem, first change your food habit. Have a healthy diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. Apply this face pack daily and get rid of pimples and acne. This face pack helps you cure pimples in 2 days. Apply this pack daily on your face and leave them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash them off. The ingredients banana, rice flour, and curd are good for skin. They have excellent properties that are needed for our skin. Subscribe for more skincare and hair care videos.